In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a Json file into Firebase real-time database. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need in the Firebase console, explain what each choice means, and share a few practical tips so you don't accidentally overwrite data you care about. By the end, you'll know how to bring a local Json file into a specific spot in your real-time database safely and confidently. Start by opening the Firebase console in your browser and selecting the project you want to work with. Make sure you're in the correct project, especially if you manage multiple environments like development and production, because your changes apply to the live database for that project. In the left-hand navigation, under the Build section, choose Real-Time Database. It's important to be in Real-Time Database and not Firestore, as these are different products with different structures and tooling. You'll land on the Data View page, which shows your database as a tree of keys and values. Navigate to the exact node where you want this data to land. A node is simply a path in the tree, like a folder in a file system. To avoid replacing more data than intended, it's recommended to target a fresh child node for the import. Importing at a higher level, like the root, can overwrite large portions of your data, so choose your target carefully. Once you've highlighted the node you want to import into, look for the 3 vertical dots next to that node, or next to the root if you truly intend to import at the top level. Click that menu to open the options for that location. From the drop-down, select Import JSON. This action tells Firebase you're about to bring in data from a local JSON file and apply it to the selected path. Click Browse to pick your JSON file from your computer, then click Import to start the process. Ensure your JSON is valid and structured exactly how you want it to appear under the target node. The import will write keys and values at that path, and existing keys with the same names can be replaced. If you run into a permission error, your Firebase security rules may be blocking rights to that node, and you'll need appropriate access to complete the import. After the import completes, you should see the new data appear under the node you selected. Expand the tree to confirm that the structure matches your expectations. That's all there is to it. Quick, precise, and controlled. Thanks for watching, and happy building with Firebase.